Everyone loves candy. That's a nice, quick, and easy gift idea. You can just put a spin on it and make it your own. So, I'm going to show you a couple of ideas. For the first one, you will need mini Badabra, a mason jar, candy. I have Werther's original for this first project. I have some bow wire, a few rolls of Deco mesh, some decorative rope, and some really pretty ribbon from a company called Le Ribbon, and it says just for you, which I thought was so pretty. I have a 17-inch long piece and a 20-inch long piece, and some scissors. Oh, and you can also substitute the Deco mesh with gold tulle if you choose to do so. Alright, let's get started. So the first thing we're going to do is add our Deco mesh to the bottom of our jar. This is going to lift the candy up higher, and plus it helps you to not have to put so much candy. The Deco mesh can be substituted for tulle or tissue paper. So I'm just pushing it all in. Alright, so I've placed the Deco mesh at the bottom. You can see it looks so cute. The Deco mesh is stiffer than the tulle or the tissue paper. That's why I chose to go with this. But again, whatever you choose, completely up to you. So I'm just going to take my candy, and I love Werther's. They're just so cute, and the wrapping is just decorative by itself, so you don't have to do much. I'm just placing all of it in the jar just like that. And you can mix it up if you want to do different styles of Werther's. You know, they have like soft and filled and everything like that, so that's completely up to you. But we have a full little jar. So cute. And this serves as decor, but it also helps, like I said, to fill the jar. Place the cap on. And now we are ready to add the last finishing touch, which is our bow. So I fold the bow wire in half. I'm going to place it down in the center. I'm going to take my 20-inch long piece, and I'm going to fold it in half to find the center. Just like that. And I'm going to scrunch. So I'm going to fold in half and bring the front and the back up and place it down. Just like that. And I'm going to make a loop and scrunch. And with the mini Badabra, you are able to measure your loops. So I have it right here at the 2-inch mark. And do the same thing with the other side. Scrunch. Kind of adjust it. And I think this ribbon is so cute. It says just for you, so it gives that extra personal touch. I'm going to do the exact same thing with the 17-inch piece. Just like that. I'm going to take the two open ends and place it inside of the loop. Give it a nice tug. And I'm going to tie it in a knot a couple of times. You see it says just for you, so it adds just an extra like personal touch. You can see this tail is cut at a slant. I'm going to do the same thing with this one. I'm going to do the same thing with all of my tails. I was actually going to use some of this decorative rope, but the bow wire, since I used the gold bow wire, it looks very cute and adorable in the center. So I think I'm just going to stick with that. Take my jar, and I have excess bow wire at the back. Now, what you can do is cut off the excess bow wire and hot glue this bow to the jar. But I like to be able to, you know, use it again, or give the person I'm giving the gift to the option to use it again. So I try not to glue it down. I like to just tie it. So since I have such an excess amount of bow wire, all I have to do is tie it around the jar. Just like that. And you are all done. Cute, simple gift, but it shows that you're thinking about them, and it just looks so cute and adorable. Plus, who doesn't like candy? So you see, you have the candy, and then you have your adorable bow. So this is a cute idea for, you know, all family and friends. If someone likes a certain kind of candy or anything, you can definitely adjust it accordingly. But so cute and precious.